This is the stuff that nostalgic dreams are made of. Hey folks, I'm Azlin Law from linsfood.com and Singaporean Malaysian recipes.com, where today's recipe will be at. Bubur Lambuk, a Ramadan tradition in Singapore and Malaysia that can be traced back to the mid-20th century in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The word bubur means porridge in the Malay language, and it can refer to savory porridges as well as sweet porridges, which would be puddings. To people who are not familiar with Bubur Lambuk, I describe it as a lightly spiced rice congee because that's exactly what it is. The cooking method is super easy. We place most of the ingredients into a saucepan, let it cook for about 30 to 45 minutes depending on how broken up you'd like your rice to be, and then flavor it, top it, and it's done. Any leftovers, keep it in the fridge, heat it up the next day or for your early morning meal. Let's go take a look. So that was easy, right? The list of ingredients might be fairly long, but it's all stuff that you have in your pantry. We're talking about whole spices, ground spices, and aromatics. If you don't eat meat and you'd like the vegan version, I have a vegan bubur lambuk on my blog, Singaporean Malaysian recipes.com. Now you can read up more about today's recipe, bubur lambuk, on my blog. You can read up about the history, the ingredients, possible substitutions, etc., etc. Make it today, enjoy it, let me know what you think. I shall see you guys real soon.